Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 easy ways to start speaking English with confidence. If you're a beginner or just looking for simple methods to improve your speaking skills, these tips will help you get started right away. Speaking English doesn't have to be intimidating. With these techniques, you'll be speaking English naturally in no time. So, let's get started. Tip number 1. Practice with simple phrases every day. One of the best ways to start speaking English is to use simple phrases in your daily life. Begin with common greetings like, "Good morning," or "How are you?" Then move on to everyday expressions like, "I'm going to work," or "I'd like a cup of coffee, please." The goal is to incorporate English into your routine, so it becomes a habit. Practice saying these phrases out loud until they feel natural. Tip number 2. Talk to yourself in English. It might sound funny, but talking to yourself is a great way to build confidence and fluency. Describe what you're doing as you go about your day. For example, if you're cooking, say, "Now I'm cutting the vegetables." Or if you're getting ready to leave, say, "I need to find my keys." This exercise helps you think in English and get comfortable using it without the pressure of speaking to someone else. Tip number 3. Use a language learning app. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and HelloTalk are perfect for practicing English speaking skills. Many of these apps have speaking exercises and pronunciation practice, allowing you to learn new words and sentences step by step. Try to dedicate a few minutes each day to using these apps. They make learning English fun and interactive, and you can practice at your own pace. Tip number 4. Record yourself speaking. Recording yourself is an effective way to track your progress. Choose a simple text, story, or set of sentences and record yourself reading them aloud. Listen to your recording and pay attention to your pronunciation, intonation, and fluency. Compare your recording to that of a native speaker and note the differences. This method helps you identify areas where you can improve and boosts your speaking confidence. Tip number 5. Find a language partner. The best way to practice speaking English is to talk to someone else. Find a language partner or join an English conversation group. You can connect with others who are also learning English or even native speakers who want to practice your native language. Platforms like Meetup, Tandem, or language exchange communities online are great places to find people to practice with. Try to have regular conversations. Talk about your day, hobbies, or interests. The more you practice with others, the faster you'll improve. With these 5 easy ways, you can start speaking English more confidently and naturally. Remember, the key is to practice consistently. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and improve. Just take it one step at a time and enjoy the process of learning a new language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more tips and lessons to help you master English. Thank you so much for watching and keep practicing. See you in the next video, and happy speaking!